Thanks so much for being with us. Why is Dharavi the safer neighborhood for COVID-19? What have local authorities there been able to do?
Let me tell you, today's Dharavi's doubling rate today is not 44 days but to 69 days. It has, we are finding further less cases over the time, and there is no death in last 3-4 days in Dharavi. The first case in Dharavi appeared on 1st of April, and that was a death case. The corona enters in Dharavi with a death. But given the situation, we decided to act proactively rather than reactively. For that, what we did is we started screening the entire population. And proactive screening, taking fever camps really helped. We started screening people and isolating them. Though because home quarantine was never option for places like Dharavi, because as you mentioned earlier, in 2.5 square kilometer area, there are 1 million people who are staying, and 80% of them are depending on community toilets. And most of them are daily wages workers who are depending on their daily food on outside sources. So one person was coming out at least 2 to 3 times a day, and at the same time, even if he has to stay at home in 10 feet by 10 feet house, there are 8 to 10 people who are staying inside the house. So to ask them to practice social distancing, to home quarantine was never an option in places like Dharavi. So what we did is we constructed institutional quarantine in the area. Like we acquire few schools, sports complexes, few hotels in the area, and we converted them into an institutional quarantine where we appointed doctors, doctors, nurses, ward boys. Then we had set up a community kitchen in such at institutional quarantine, and we appeal people to isolate themselves there. For that, we screened the entire area, and while screening, we were identifying the suspects, and we are appealing these suspects to institutionally quarantine themselves. And
Okay.
there we have decided to provide them all. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, but I mean, this is
Hello.
all, I mean, I congratulate you on this, but it all seems very common sense. And these are people working together in their community to protect their community. It doesn't come at great expense, no massive logistics really involved. So these actions you've taken should be scalable. If they're not being applied, countrywide, can't they at least be applied across the state of Maharashtra?
Yes, actually, this is being implemented at many places now, because this is the to chase the virus was the call given by our commissioner, municipal commissioner of Mumbai, who only advised us to chase the virus instead of waiting for the virus to come to you. So this is a kind of chasing of where their social distancing is a challenge, and where the population density of population is more, to have a fewer camp to screen the people and institutionally quarantining them is seems to be the only option in such cases.
Right. Let me ask you quickly then what you actually make of the national response and how it has adversely affected so many of the poorest Indians. I mean, migrant workers who were left stranded and not just at the mercy of the coronavirus, but without food and the most basic protection.
Can you repeat the question? Not hear.
I'm sorry, we seem to be having problems with your connection. I was just asking you what you make of the national response that ended up actually hurting so many of the poorest Indians, many of them migrant workers who were left not just at the mercy of the virus, but without food and no basic protection.
Yes, initially it was a big challenge, because though the census population in Dharavi is 6,53,000, there are another 2 to 3 lakh people stays in Dharavi who are actually a skilled, and they are migrated from various parts of India, and they are doing their daily wages or earning their daily wages in the area. So what we did is we started community kitchen in the area, and we started distributing food packets area. You will not believe, we have given 21,000 lunch packets and 21,000 dinner packets every day to in the Dharavi, At the same time, the local representatives were also distributing food packets in the area, like the local corporator, local MLA, local MP, member of parliament. They all were setting up a community kitchen in the area. And most important was the thanks to all media, the Dharavi, the kind of glamour Dharavi got. We got many donors in the area, and many people donated grocery packets in the area, and we have distributed as many as 25,000 grocery packets to in the area. So that
Okay.
was a big change to support the community. That was one of the step taken by the government.
Okay. Kiran Dikhavkar, thank you so much for joining us. Congratulations on all you've been able to achieve there in Mumbai.